Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar Saint Levant with a song called Diva. So we had Saint here before on this channel with the song called Exile. I believe DIVA is one of his songs. Even Gelby was one we covered here on Growing Guitar. So if you're a fan of him, then make sure you look into these tutorials as well. Now let's focus on Diva, and we're going to do that with the capo set on the first fret. That's the best scenario for us. Let's go over the chords, and we're going to play the same chords over and over through the entire song. So we're going to start with the F sharp minor 7. Okay, that's a bar where you play the index finger on the second fret and you push down all strings there. And then you need to add fourth on A. That's it for the F sharp minor 7. Next chord is the G major 7. And I hold third fret on E string, and then I mute the next string with that finger, usually my mid finger, adjusting to the top of the A string, so it gets muted like that. And then we continue with open D, open G, third B, and second E. Next chord is the E minor 7. Okay, so I have all strings open here except from the second fret A. Alright, so that is that. And then we also have the final chord, this A sus 2. And that goes open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have two ways of playing this one. The first one is like this. One down on F sharp minor. And then you have a pause, and then you play one down again. And then immediately you change to the G sharp major 7. And play one down, and then a big pause, and then E minor 7. One down and a big pause. And then comes this part that we have one down on E minor still. So you're going to keep that chord. And then one down on G major, back to that chord. And then one down on the A sus. And then you start all over again. So slowly it goes like this with the timing. Okay, so that is one way of handling it, like this. Start a new round. That's one way. The second way, you can hear that clearly at the 1 minute and 35 seconds into the song. You're gonna play like this. And then you start again. All right. So that is more of the funkier side of the how to play things. So you're gonna start with the F sharp again. Of course, the same chord progression, just different style of handling it. So you're gonna play down, a short pause, and then down up. And that down up, you're gonna play on the higher strings down there. So it's kind of answering the first down. So like this, down, pause, and down up. Okay. And I like to mute after play the down up, and then I mute it, okay? So, and I do that in different ways. You can just do with the strumming hand, a link to the top of the strings if you want to. You can also lift off the chord. In this case, I think it's easier to just land with the hand, your strumming hand on top of the strings. So, down, and down, up, next, down, up, and E minor, down, up. And then you have the same ending there with one down on the following chords, E minor, the G major, and A sus, like this. Okay, so in the context, everything is played like this. Again. And I actually prefer the last style out of this to handle this song, but you can go for both. And that, my friends, is how you handle the song called Diva. If you're a fan of Saint, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and be back very soon. Till next time, play tuned.